Hi everyone! Are you a fan of CapCut? As someone who frequently uses this fantastic free software, I can vouch for its incredible capabilities in video editing. But let's be honest, we've all faced those frustrating moments when CapCut crashes in the middle of a project or while saving our hard work. If this sounds familiar, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the common issues that cause these crashes and, most importantly, how to avoid them. Stay with us till the end to ensure a smoother, more efficient editing experience with CapCut. Ready to eliminate those pesky interruptions? Okay, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your device. In the app's main window, you'll see our saved projects. We need to clear these out to make room for our new work. It's really easy to delete them, so let's do it together. Look for the small 3 dots next to each project. Click on those, and you'll see the option to delete. Just like that, click Delete and confirm. Go ahead and delete all the saved projects one by one. Once all the old projects are deleted, it's time to start anew. Look at the top of the screen, and you'll see the New Project button. Click on that, and you're all set to begin your new creation. Alright, now that we've clicked on the New Project button, you should be in the Project Creation window. Here, you can see a small Modify button. Click on it to open the Project Settings window. In this window, there are a few important settings we need to adjust. First, keep the frame rate at a minimum. 30 frames per second is recommended for smooth playback. Next, look at the color space settings and make sure they are as shown in the window. Now, click on the Performance tab. Here, make sure to turn the proxy button on. For the resolution, 720p is a good balance between quality and performance. Once you've made these adjustments, you can close all the settings windows. That's it. We've done all the necessary corrections. Now, try creating your project with these settings. If you find this guide helpful and your project is a success, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.